How's everybody doing? This is Eric with Hackers Chimney Services. I'm up here in the edge of Houston, bordering Katy, getting ready to do a recondition of a chase top. And I just got up here, did this a few days ago. I'm kind of curious, the neck here, this is the neck of the chase top, I hope. Where the opening with the flue liner and everything goes through the center of the chase top. This has been repaired multiple times. Kind of shoddily repaired. So looking at three different layers of caulking. So I'm gonna remove all that. Then we've got electrical tape, which I don't recall ever seeing electrical tape on the top of the chimney. So, and then we have some type of, I want to say that's probably duct tape. It's deteriorated, but you see that hairline material there, the fibers. I want to say that's duct tape. So all this is going to get removed, and then we will evaluate how we want to seal this up. Also, what we're going to do is we're going to hit all the rusted area with steel wool, brush it off, and then we'll go ahead and prime it, and then we'll go ahead and paint it with an enamel. Primer will take about 30 minutes to 45 minutes to dry. Ideally, probably like to get 2 coats of enamel on. We'll see if we can do that or not. I actually got, we're going to be painting this gray, and the primer is going to be gray, so that might circumsede the need to do this twice. But this is what we're looking at now. So this is your before I've done anything up here. Apparently, another chimney company or two came out and gave some pretty high bids on this. Now, if we were going to replace this chase top as a custom-made piece, I told the customer he's probably looking at about $1,100. And that's a prime, paint it, get it ready before I bring it up and install it. But he wanted to go with the more economical route, if at all possible. And I thought we can go ahead and get this thing, I mean, because it's not rusted through. The only variable is what I'm gonna find when I remove all this stuff here. I don't know the condition underneath that. That could be bad, but I got a couple ideas on if that is the worst case scenario, what we can do, but that remains to be seen. So this will be video number 1, and we'll do a series on this one. Whether or not I post it or not, or a different story. Leave me a like, subscribe, and a comment. Once again, we'll be back shortly.